this is the JollyTown Fire Engine kiddie ride by Jolly Roger, so let's go. Oh no. There we go. Refer to me code is 5D66. So yeah. The volume's really low on this one. Yeah, I've already filmed Rupert over there. It's not quiet. Made by Jolly Roger in 2013 as part of their JollyTown Reigns under no license. Get the kiddie. There's the back of it. Can't even hear it very well. Yeah, this replaced Scoop. So yeah. Isn't that quiet? Yeah, and you can't hear the sound very well. And that was the JollyTown Fire Engine kiddie ride by Jolly Roger. Sorry that says this mobile sweet to park and choose we.